Greetings YouTubers, welcome to another video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you a free AI tool that you can use to create YouTube video scripts quickly and easily. You can find this tool at 4ppo.com and I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check it out. So basically here you can create a free YouTube video script by AI. It will write the entire script for you, and all you have to do is enter in your topic to write about. For this example, I'm going to paste in this topic right here: review of the Tesla Model 3, which is the electric car. And I want to make this YouTube video tone, so like the tone of voice, let's make it casual and humorous. So I'll check that right here, and then down below select generate or click on generate YouTube script. Alright, within a few seconds you will get the new YouTube video script generated down below. This one has 436 words and it is written in a first person point of view. So hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to talk about, and there it is, the Tesla Model 3. And you can also add in more text and edit the script directly from here if you want, or just copy and paste into your own writing tools. So here's the entire script. At the moment, this script writer will give you a video script from 300, 400, 500 and even 600 words, and you can tell the AI to create different parts of your video. Like you can tell it to first review the Tesla Model 3 from the outside, and then you can talk about the engine as another video script, or the interior design or whatever. So you can create these scripts in parts if you want. And I'm also adding more and more AI tools for text, social media, and more YouTube tools, so please check out 4ppo.com. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy YouTubing.